With live music, OSU sports, and unique performances, there's a lot happening this fall in America's friendliest college town.
Come out and see the new and improved Tumbleweed Dance Hall, open Thursday, Friday, and Saturday from 8 p.m. to 2 a.m. We have 4 great shows coming to you in September. Come out and see us.
What began as a small comedy troupe, the Second City has grown to become today's leading brand in improv-based comedy. Enjoy their fresh and hilarious humor on September 28th.
The Native American Student Association is hosting a powwow in September. Experience traditional dance, sample authentic foods, and meet Miss American Indian OSU.
There's no better place to be on Saturdays in September than Boone Pickens Stadium.
Want to win free football tickets? Check out our giveaways at visitstillwater.org.
The Garden Fest and Bum Sale at the OSU Botanic Garden is a day of educational workshops, live music, and innovative demonstrations. Don't miss a beat in America's friendliest college town.
Check out our full listing of events at visitstillwater.org.